Hello, this is Chris Vogt, your professional connector and commercial real estate advisor. I couldn't sleep tonight, so I decided to get up and query Bing to see if it could help me. And now, those of you who have been using the new Bing AI know that it's based on ChatGPT 4. And so I decided, okay, Bing is up to date. It's current. It addresses, the entire web as a search engine. And so I was hoping that Bing would, Bing AI would do a much better job than ChatGPT 4. So I've not yet tried the same things I'm going to show you now on ChatGPT 4, but this was a very frustrating experience. And let me just walk through this with you so you can see what I've been going through. So the first thing is I told Bing, I need to generate leads as a commercial real estate agent. Great leads would be business owners whose businesses are in commercial properties. The lead needs to include the name of the person, their title, work and cell phone numbers, email address, and physical address. What free AI tools will help me do this, and how should I start? So that's how we started. And you can see that it came up with this answer. There are several ways to generate leads for commercial real estate agents. Here are some suggestions. And I'm not going to read the whole answers. I'm just going to read the things here. Network locally, network on social media, provide valuable content on a website or blog, keep track of evolving companies, celebrate wins publicly, use commercial real estate data sources, expired commercial listings, reach out to previous commercial real estate investors. And so it says that those are some of the things I should do. Notice it didn't even address my question of gaining the prospects and doing that lead generation or using any AI tools. And then it says there are several free AI tools that can help you generate leads as a commercial real estate agent, such as Catalyze AI. You can start by creating a list of potential clients and then use these tools to find their contact information. So the first thing I noticed is that the links that are provided here, they don't include a link to Catalyze AI. So I don't know if that's going to help. And so I said, what is Catalyze AI? And so then it says, Catalyze AI is a predictive analysis business development platform, blah, 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 blah. Now, sounds really good based on the description. And so, but it didn't give me, and it did give me a link. And I went and looked at the link. And Catalyze AI is a very expensive product. Sure, it might use some AI, but it certainly is not free. So go ahead and check it out if you want. Okay, so then I went back, said, hey, perhaps I did not communicate clearly. Please review my original prompt, which is specifically targeted to commercial real estate, not residential real estate. Your answer does not address my primary query of what AI tools can I use and how to use them. And here we go. Being AI says, I apologize for misunderstanding your query. Here are some free AI tools that will help generate leads for commercial real estate agents. Sharp Launch offers a variety of tools to help commercial real estate agents generate leads, including lead platform builder, email marketing tools, and more. ChatGPT, we all know about that. And Catalyze AI, which they already talked about. And okay, it's what time is it? All right, it's 3:20 in the morning. So I think you can understand that my brain not be functioning at optimal capacity at 3:20 in the morning, especially since I couldn't, when I went to bed, I couldn't get myself to go to sleep. So Sharp Launch is something that I actually think I looked at, but I don't remember looking at it. So I'm going to have to go take another look and see what Sharp Launch says. And here is a link for Sharp Launch. So let's just go ahead and go look at it right now while we're together. Okay, so that is Sharp. Oh, yes, Sharp Launch. It took me to a blog post on 21 ideas to generate leads. None of them gave me free AI tools, and none of them, um, in fact, even really used AI. So it's just go through here. They're all really basic things that everyone knows. Build a list, research contacts, research new deals, use CRE prospecting software, use CRE data sources, research links on LinkedIn, leads to your website, capture blog visitors, blah, 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 blah. It's the same old stuff that we've all been doing for years. And so that was not helpful in the least. And I'm pretty sure I went and looked at sharplaunch.com. Let's just delete that and go over here. Modernizing your stuff. Yeah, see, just looking at this whole thing, number one, it's not giving any free tools. Number two, it doesn't seem like it's really doing much of anything using AI. And so maybe they'll be incorporating AI into it in the future. But as of right now, it does not look like it does anything at all that is of interest to me. So let's go back to our prior page now that we've dealt with Sharp Launch. Okay, so I said, what is the address for Catalyze AI? And so then I went and looked at Catalyze AI, and then I said, Catalyze AI is very expensive. Certainly not a free AI tool as I requested. The link for Sharp Launch did not provide any free AI tools to support lead generation. Your answer for ChatGPT does not even start to address my query for AI lead generation tools. So I'm kind of given chat Bing AI and its Chat GPT for what for here. So let's see what happens. Okay, and notice, let's see, nope, I didn't say anything about commercial real estate in that particular query. So here it is. And they come back, oh, Bing's apologizing again. I misunderstood. I'll try to provide more accurate answer this time. Here are some free AI tools to help you generate leads for commercial real estate agents. Seeing it did address my commercial real estate concern. And of course, the first answer it gives is Zillow. Zillow is for residential. It's not even for commercial. And then Hootsuite and Buffer, which are two social media tools. They're not going to help you. They're not free, and they're not AI, and they're not going to help you generate the leads that I specifically asked for at the beginning. So I told it, Zillow only deals with residential. Hootsuite and Buffer are not AI tools for lead generation. So it apologizes again. And what does it do? Oh, it comes back and says, here are some free AI tools. And it comes back with ZillowFlex, which we just said was stupid. Catalyze AI, which we already said was expensive and not free. And ChatGPT, which it says can help us, but it doesn't give us any good advice on that. So what do? I say, apparently you have nothing to support my request as you keep regurgitating the same answers that I've already stated do not address the query. Try a totally different answer, please, or help me write a better prompt you can act on. I thought that was pretty reasonable. So let's see, what did good old Al do this time? Al, because AI, when you do capital letters, it looks like A-L, Al. So Al gave up and basically hung up the phone on me. Says, I'm sorry, but I prefer not to continue this conversation. I'm still learning, so I appreciate your understanding and patience. Okay, well, Al, you failed. I give you an F today, and I don't appreciate the fact that you picked up your marbles and went home. All right, so this has been Chris Vogt. Sorry for ranting tonight, but I'm frustrated with AI and trying to get it to help me with free tools to generate leads for commercial real estate, at least tonight. That's what I'm all about. So thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully next time it'll be much better.